Which type of muscle cells would be found connecting bones to other bones? For example, biceps brachii and gluteus maximus. Would it be cardiac, skeletal, smooth, or reticular? The answer is skeletal muscle. Cardiac is found in the heart, smooth is found like in blood vessel walls, reticular is just a made-up distractor option. Which epithelial shape looks like flat tiles? Is it squamous, columnar, cuboidal, or triangular? The answer is squamous. Columnar looks like a rectangle, cuboidal looks like a square, triangular is just a made-up distractor option. What part of a neuron usually acts as an input and receives neurotransmitters? The second part of the question, what part of a neuron usually acts as an output to release neurotransmitters? Is it A, axon, axon, B, dendrite, axon, C, dendrite, dendrite, or D, axon, dendrite? The answer is dendrite, axon. Dendrites receive neurotransmitters, then the axon has action potentials, and when it makes it to the end, it's going to make it release a neurotransmitter. How many basic tissue types are found in adults? These tissue types can be used to form all body organs. Is it 2, 8, 6, or 4? The answer is 4. The main tissue types are nervous, muscle, connective tissue, and epithelia. Which type of epithelium is found lining most of the kidney tubules and ducts of small glands? Is it simple columnar epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, or stratified columnar epithelium? The answer is simple cuboidal epithelium. Simple columnar is found lining the stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Stratified squamous is found on the skin surface. Which of the following cells in bone would be responsible for breaking down bone? Bone is a type of connective tissue. Is it osteoclast, chondrocyte, osteoblast, or osteocyte? The answer is osteoclast. Chondrocytes help to support matrix in cartilage. Osteoblasts help to make matrix in bone. Which of the following connective tissue types is located directly under the dermis of the skin? Is it cartilage, ligaments, adipose, or bone? The answer is adipose. Cartilage is found in growth plates of bone and on the ends of bone. Ligaments help to hold bone to bone for their function. Which of the following types of connective tissue connect muscle to bone? Is it ligament, smooth muscle, cartilage, or tendon? The answer is tendon. A ligament would be used to hold a bone to bone. Smooth muscle is found in the wall of blood vessels, respiratory passageways, and those structures. Which type of epithelium is found on the inner lining of the stomach and small intestine? Is it simple columnar epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, transitional epithelium, or simple squamous epithelium? The answer is simple columnar epithelium. Stratified cuboidal epithelium, that's found in ovarian follicles and some sweat gland ducts. Transitional is found in the ureters and the bladder. Glial cells, like oligodendrocytes and Schwann cells, would fit which tissue category best? Is it epithelia, nervous, muscle, or connective? The answer is nervous tissue. Epithelia is mainly coverings. Muscle is like, say, bicep, tricep, your heart, and smooth muscle as examples. Which of the following muscle cell types has the most nuclei? Is it skeletal, reticular, cardiac, or smooth? The answer is skeletal muscle. Reticular is just a distractor option and is not a type of muscle. Cardiac would be found in the heart and smooth in the walls of blood vessels. Are hormones secreted by endocrine or exocrine glands? And the second part of the question, are hormones released by cells with or without ducts? Is it A, endocrine and with ducts, B, exocrine and with ducts, C, exocrine and without ducts, or D, endocrine and without ducts? The answer is endocrine and without ducts. Hormones are just immediately dumped in the bloodstream. They float throughout your body until they find a cell with the correct receptor type. Which type of muscle tissue is non-striated and involuntary? It is found in the wall of the bladder and gallbladder. Is it reticular, skeletal, smooth, or cardiac? The answer is smooth muscle. Reticular is just a distractor option. It's not a type of muscle. Skeletal would be like, say, a bicep, a tricep, and cardiac is found in the heart. What type of loose connective tissue makes up the spleen and lymph nodes the most? Is it areolar, reticular, adipose, or elastic? The answer is reticular. Areolar is found throughout the body. It just kind of holds the body together. A lot of it is in just underneath the surface of the GI tract. The dermis of the skin, submucosa of the digestive tract, and fibrous capsules around organs are composed of which of the following? Adipose, dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue, or dense elastic? The answer is dense irregular connective tissue. Adipose is found underneath the dermis throughout the whole body, just as for cushioning, gives you plenty of energy. Which type of epithelium makes up the serous linings around the heart, lungs, and peritoneal regions? Is it simple squamous epithelium, transitional epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, or simple columnar epithelium? The answer is simple squamous epithelium. Transitional epithelium, that's found in the inner lining of the bladder and the ureters, and it's very stretchy. Which type of cartilage is found in growth plates of long bones, like the femur of the thigh and the humerus of the upper arm for a teenager? Is it elastic cartilage, dense irregular connective tissue, hyaline cartilage, or fibrocartilage? The answer is hyaline cartilage. Elastic cartilage is found in the ear, especially the earlobes, and also the epiglottis, the flap that protects your trachea. Fibrocartilage is an example of what tissue type? It is found between most vertebrae, in the menisci of the knee, and in the pubic symphysis, which is an anterior-inferior hip joint. Is it muscle, connective, nervous, or epithelia? It's connective tissue. Muscle tissue could be like bicep, tricep, heart, and smooth muscle like in, say, like the blood vessels. The surface under epithelia is called the blank surface. Is it basal, lateral, apical, or vestibular? The answer is basal. Lateral just means the side surfaces. Apical refers to the top surface of a cell, typically in contact with the lumen. Which of the below represent one layer thick of epithelial cells with their nuclei all at approximately the same level? Is it pseudostratified, stratified, simple, or transitional? The answer is simple. Pseudostratified are lots of cells, but nuclei are not at the same level. Some are high, some are low, and this is typically found in the inner lining of the trachea. Which type of epithelia is located the most in areas of your body designed to handle friction? Is it simple squamous epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, pseudostratified columnar epithelium, or simple cuboidal epithelium? The answer is stratified squamous epithelium. This is found like on the skin surface, the mouth, different places that can handle a lot of friction for a person. Body coverings and linings would best fit which of the following tissue types? Nervous, muscle, connective, or epithelia? Epithelia. Nervous is like, say, the brain, spinal cord nerves. Muscle is like, say, your bicep, tricep, gluteal muscles, etc. Which of the following muscle cell types has intercalated discs between muscle cells? These discs help to anchor the cells to one another. Is it cardiac, skeletal, smooth, or pseudostratified? The answer is cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle is just, again, your muscles that you contract, like your biceps, hamstrings, quadriceps, those muscles. Which of the following connective tissue types transmits gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide throughout the body the most? Is it cartilage, bone, blood, or adipose? The answer is blood. Cartilage is found between a lot of bones and on the ends of bone, and bone itself is just to give the body a rigid structure to pull against with muscles. Which of the following epithelia represent multiple layers of rectangle-like cells in 2 dimensions? Is it simple squamous epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, transitional epithelium, or stratified columnar epithelium? The answer is stratified columnar epithelium. Thank you all so much. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. I appreciate it. Thank you. Which of the following cells in bone, a type of connective tissue, would be responsible for creating matrix? Is it osteoclast, chondrocyte, chondroblast, or osteoblast? The answer is osteoblast. Osteoclasts, they help to destroy bone. Chondrocytes, they sit in cartilage and pits, and they help to support matrix. Is saliva produced by exocrine or endocrine glands? And the second part of the question, is sweat produced by exocrine or endocrine glands? So is it A, endocrine, endocrine, B, exocrine, exocrine, C, exocrine, endocrine, or D, endocrine, exocrine? The answer is exocrine, exocrine. So both saliva and sweat are just secretions to body surfaces in a way, either inside or outside. Which type of connective tissue proper is found in the wall of the aorta? Is it hyaline, areolar, reticular, or elastic? The answer is elastic. Hyaline cartilage, that's found connecting the ribs to the sternum and also on the ends of a lot of your bones that articulate to one another, they have hyaline. It's very common. Smooth muscle is voluntary or involuntary. And the second part of the question, cardiac muscle is voluntary or involuntary. Is the answer A, voluntary, voluntary, B, involuntary, involuntary, C, is it voluntary, involuntary, or D, involuntary, voluntary? The answer is B, they're both involuntary. So you can't choose to make smooth muscle of your body contract or the cardiac muscle to contract either. Most of the cells composing the middle contractile layer of the heart would fit which tissue category best? Nervous, connective, epithelia, or muscle? The answer is muscle. Nervous tissue is found, again, in the brain, spinal cord, the nerves. Connective tissue is like bone, blood, ligaments, tendons. Which type of epithelium is found lining the trachea and nasal cavity? Is it pseudostratified columnar epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, or transitional epithelium? Pseudostratified columnar epithelium is the answer. Stratified squamous epithelium is found like on the skin, inside the mouth, like surfaces that can handle a lot of friction. Which of the following cell types releases neurotransmitters out of the ends of axons? Is it skeletal muscle cell, adipocytes, neurons, or chondroblast? The answer is neurons. Skeletal muscle cells, they contract in your volitional muscle like your hamstrings, quadriceps, bicep, tricep, etc. What is the name for the gel-like material made by osteoblasts in bone? Is it plasma, matrix, synovial fluid, or serous fluid? It's matrix. Plasma is basically the watery part of your blood that has hormones, gases, nutrients, waste products floating in it. Epithelia is or is not capable of regeneration. And the second part of the question, epithelia is vascular, meaning it has a blood supply, or it's avascular. Okay, so is the answer A is not capable of regeneration and it's avascular? B is not capable of regeneration and it is vascular? C, it is capable of regeneration and it's avascular? Or D, it is capable of regeneration and it is vascular? The answer is it is capable of regeneration, but it's avascular. The top layer of your skin and a lot of body coverings doesn't have a direct blood supply to it. Which type of epithelium is found in the skin? Is it transitional epithelium, non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, or keratinized stratified squamous epithelium? The answer is keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. Transitional epithelium, again, is found in the inner lining of the bladder and the ureters. What is a large part of a neuron that holds the nucleus and many organelles that are critical to the survival of the cell? Is it soma, axon, dendrite, or collateral? The answer is soma. The axon is the electrical output end of a neuron, typically has active potentials, and at the very end, it's going to release a neurotransmitter. Which type of connective tissue connects bone to bone? Is it adipose, ligament, elastic cartilage, or tendon? The answer is ligament. Adipose is underneath the dermis of the skin. It gives you lots of energy to make ATP, but it's just a very slow form of energy for the body. Which type of epithelium is found lining the ureters, bladder, and superior urethra? Is it transitional epithelium, simple squamous epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, or pseudostratified columnar epithelium? The answer is transitional epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium, that's again very, very flattened, and it's found on the inner lining of blood vessels, alveoli of the lungs, and similar regions. Which of the following are found in the brain and transmit action potentials? Is it chondrocytes, osteoclasts, cardiac muscle cells, or neurons? The answer is neurons. Chondrocytes, they're cartilage cells. They sit in little pits called lacuna, and they help to support matrix. Osteoclasts, they work to break down bone. Adipocytes are an example of which type of tissue? Muscle, epithelia, connective tissue, or nervous tissue? They are connective tissue. Muscle tissue is like your gluteal muscles, hamstrings, quadriceps, biceps, etc. Epithelia are mainly coverings and linings of the body. The free exposed surface of epithelia is called the blank surface. Is it lateral, apical, basal, or vestibular? The answer is apical. The lateral surface are like the side surfaces of cells, and the basal surface is referring to the bottom surface. Vestibular is just a distractor option. Which epithelial shape looks like a rectangle in 2 dimensions? Is it A, all of the below look like a rectangle, B, cuboidal, C, columnar, or D, squamous? The answer is columnar. Definitely A can't be correct. Cuboidal means it looks sort of like a square, and squamous refers to just basically a flat cell. Hyaline cartilage is found in the wall of the trachea and on the ends of most bones that articulate. It is an example of what tissue type? Is it connective tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue, or epithelial tissue? It's connective tissue. Muscle tissue could be like cardiac in the heart, smooth muscle in blood vessels, or skeletal muscle like in a bicep. Which type of epithelium is found inside the mouth, oral cavity, anus, and vagina? Is it non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, pseudostratified columnar epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, or simple cuboidal epithelium? It's non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. The pseudostratified columnar, that's found in respiratory passageways to help bring mucus up to your throat to swallow it, typically. Which type of cartilage is found in the epiglottis and parts of the external ears? Is it hyaline cartilage, dense irregular connective tissue, fibrocartilage, or elastic cartilage? Elastic cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is found in growth plates and the ends of a lot of bones that articulate. That's the major place where you'd find that type of cartilage. Which type of epithelium is found lining most of the alveoli of the lungs, inner lining of blood vessels, and inner lining of the heart? Is it simple cuboidal epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, simple squamous epithelium, or stratified cuboidal epithelium? It's simple squamous epithelium. It's just like flat little cells. Simple cuboidal epithelium, that's found in a lot of kidney tubules and small gland ducts. Blood would fit which tissue type the best? Connective, muscle, nervous, or epithelia? It fits connective tissue the best. Muscle could be cardiac, like in the heart, smooth muscle in the wall of the GI tract, or skeletal muscle as an example. Which type of muscle would be found in the wall of the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine? Would it be cardiac, smooth, skeletal, or areolar? Smooth muscle. Cardiac muscle is found in the middle layer of the heart. Skeletal muscle is under bicep, tricep. Areolar is just a distractor option. It's not a real option. Which type of epithelium is found lining the inner uterine tubes and gallbladder? Is it simple squamous epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, or stratified squamous epithelium? Simple columnar epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium, that's found in the inner lining of blood vessels, alveoli of the lungs, serous lining of body cavities. Which of the following look like they are more than one layer thick of cells, but they are not? Is it stratified, transitional, simple, or pseudostratified? The answer is pseudostratified. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. I can keep making more of these videos. Thank you all so much for everything. Thank you. I really appreciate everything. Thank you so much.